Hello! Flexbox is truly fantastic because it gives what's called source order independence. This means you can rearrange items in the display without altering the order in the HTML markup. Let's take a look at the order property to understand this better. In our container, we have three items: home, search, and logout. To keep track, I've numbered them, make it easier to follow. Let's head over to the CSS. Suppose we give the item to search and order property of 1. Watch what happens. Search now jumps to the third spot, where logout used to be. Surprisingly, nothing changed in the HTML source order, which is still 1, 2, 3. But on the page it's 1, 3, 2. You might wonder why a value of 1 sends an item to the end. That's because, by default, the order is 0. Items with order values above 0, like 1 for example, get pushed to the end. At the same time, values below 0, like -1, place the item at the beginning. Let's set the default order for item 1 and item 3, both to 0. If we set an item to 0, it doesn't change anything. If we want the first item to appear less, we give it a value above 0, like 5, 4, 3, or 2. It will stay at the end as long as its order is higher than the other items. Now, your task is to make these items appear in the opposite order from the original layout, going from 3 to 1 instead of 1 to 3. Use both positive and negative numbers in the order property. Give it a try, and when you're ready, I will show you how it's done. Great! Hopefully, you've completed the task. Let's do it ourselves. We'll target the third item, logout, and set its order to -1. Make it appear first. Then, we'll set the first item, home, to a positive number, 1, so it appears last. Voila! Now, it's 3 to 1 instead of 1 to 3.